klusni. Gimiau ir augau Širvintose. Tai pats gražiausias kraštas visame pasaulyje. Netikite? Tuomet leiskitės į kelionę kartu su manimi ir mano šeima.
The name of the town, Širvintos, came from the river running through it, Širvinta. But it's not just the name. For the locals, it's more than just a river. It's their memories, vitality, and strength.
Širvinta, 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 tu šventojant skubi kaip daina, švelniai tyrai plauki, mūsų svajonė į tolį šauki.
Aš Rima. Be Širvintos neįsivaizduočiau savo gyvenimą gimtam krašte. Ana mūsų pasididžiavimus, mūsų gyvastis.
O man patinka musė. Jos vardas toks linksmas.
Esu Paulius, Širvintos gražiausias kraštas. Čia mano šviesiausi išgyvenimai, čia mano darbai, čia mano šeima, čia mano ateitis.
The first inhabitants in the Širvintos region came around the 9th or 8th millennium BC. Remains of the camps dating back to the Stone Age were found in the regions of Musninke, Čiaubiškės, Gelvonė, and Karnavė. The legend says that the name of the town Širvintos came from the river by the same name. In ancient times, a moose called Širvė paved the way through the forest toward the river. That's how the river was called Širvinta, and the town was named after the river. The coat of arms of the town is decorated with the head of the multiple-horned moose, with the sword in the front symbolizing the fights with enemies. The pearl of Širvintos is Karnavė, the land that remembers the beginning of Lithuania. It is the great mounds and a valley of Pajota, encased by the river Neris. Under the innings of the UNESCO World Heritage object lurks ancient hutments, burial grounds, and the remains of the old Lithuanian capital, the wooden medieval city which was destroyed after the onslaught of Crusaders back in 1390. In the exposition of the Museum of the Archaeological Site of Karnavė, we can find the material of the long years' study about the cultures that lived in the area from the Epi-Paleolithic to the medieval period, the headwaters of the Baltic culture, and the transmutation of the pagan community into Christianity. Every year, the traditional Rasos celebration takes place in the State Cultural Reserve of Karnavė. And every July, during the International Festival of Experimental Archaeology, Days of Live Archaeology in Karnavė, the silence of the mounds is roiled by the reborn past. Merchants from Lithuania and all over the world, night tournaments, and the sound of ancient music comes back to Karnavė. According to legend, after Lithuania has been converted to Christianity and the main temple of the priestess Vaidilutė was demolished, the oldest Lithuanian pagan priest called Lizdeika, together with all the priestesses, moved to Karnavė. The valley was named after the most beautiful priestess, whose name was Pajota.
Širvintų kraštas man ne tik legendas ir istorija. Pirmiausia, tai ypatingų šio krašto dvasingumus.
Aš Kristina. Mane žavi mūsų krašto dvarai. Juose tiek romantikos, praeities ir dabarties sankirtų ir naujų perspektyvų.
Širvintos is the place that has the most manors in Lithuania. The manor of Šešuolėlė is the best example of the ability to resurrect the architectural heritage when the owner and the Heritage Preservation Services work together. Differently from other manors, the manor of Šešuolėlė, by a miracle, was not destroyed, even though there were many owners. In hundreds of years of the manor's history, deep traces were left by the noble Radvilos. A popular site of Širvintos region is the street-like village of Mikalajūnai, founded back in the 16th century during the Volok reform. The village has kept its authenticity of the end of the 19th, beginning of 20th century. In Lithuania, there are just a few of such villages left. 22 kilometers southwest from Širvintos, in the confluence of Neris and Musė rivers, there is the town of Čiobiškis. The town is famous for its amazing nature of the littoral and the monuments of the architecture, especially the bridge of Darius and Gerenis. Most of the locals of Širvintos know that the shortest way to Kaišiadorys is crossing the river Neris by the ferry which is powered by the river itself. It is the monument of the technique, the only ferry of such type in Lithuania. We are a family. We are the real patriots of these lands. In our home Širvintos, there is so much to do and so many discoveries that I would not even search for a better place for me and my family.